Hey there, Windows 11 users. Have you ever wondered about the license type of your Windows 11 operating system, whether it's retail, OEM, or volume licensing? Knowing the license type can be useful for various reasons. In today's video, we'll show you an easy and quick way to determine your Windows 11 license type so you can have a better understanding of your system. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Here's how to check your Windows 11 license type. Right-click the Start button, then click on Terminal. Type SLMGR-D-LI into the Windows terminal. Press the Enter key. After a short moment, a Windows Script Host dialog will open to show you what license type your Windows is activated with. Thank you for watching our video. If you found it helpful and enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more informative and engaging videos.